Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to online class. Now I am going to start the mensuration exercise 12b. Listen children, we are given the polygons and I am going to find the area of the polygon. See this polygon. The polygon, they are split that into two. See, for example, I am taking, this is figure 1 and this is figure 2. Got it? Figure 1 and figure 2. See, figure 1, it is what in shape? ABE, triangle ABE. See, what is the base? Your base is 30 centimeter. Got it? And what is the height they are given for the triangle, which is what? 12 centimeter. See, this is what a triangle ABE I have written. Next, I am moving for the trapezium. So, figure 2 is what? Trapezium. See the trapezium. See, for me trapezium, I am having two parallel sides. See, what are the two parallel sides? I am taking the parallel sides to be what? A and B. So, what is the parallel side? 30 and 24. And what is the height of the trapezium? Height of the trapezium is what? 15 centimeters. So, this is your height of a trapezium, which is 15 centimeter. Now, I am going to find out the area of the following. See, area of the, how can I write this? Listen. Area of the given figure is equal to, area of the given figure is equal to, what is that? Area of a triangle plus area of the trapezium. Got it? Here area of a triangle they are given, and here they are given a area of a trapezium. I collected the base, a height and two parallel sides I have collected. Now listen, what is my area of a triangle formula? Of into base into height. This is my area of a triangle formula. What is the area of a trapezium formula? What is it? Of into height into A plus B. Got it? See, this is the area of a triangle and area of a trapezium formula. And substitute the values here. What is the base? I am going to substitute here 30. Base is 30 and the height is what? 12. And plus is there. So, put that plus symbol. Now, of into trapezium height, what they are given here? 15 centimeter. So, and what are the two parallel sides here? 30 and 24. Parallel sides are 30 plus 24. Now, I am going to cancel this. Listen, 2 ones are 2, 6 are 12. Got it? Now, whether I can cancel this? No, it is not possible. So, just you write 30 into 6 plus 1 by 2 into, see listen, 15 into 30 plus 24. What is that 30 plus 24? Which is what? 54. When I adding this 2, what I can get? 54. Now I can cancel in the 2 table. 2 ones are 2 27s are, because 2 27s are what? 54. So, now what I have to do? I have to multiple this 2 and this 2 I am going to multiple. So, I have to multiple what? Just do here. Listen. 30 into 6 plus 15 into what is there? 27. Just do it in the rough column. 36 are 180 plus 15 27s are, just do it in the rough column. 15 into 27, what is the answer? 7 5s are 35. 3 carry over. 7 1s are 7. 7 plus 3 is what? 10. Put a star. 15 2s are what? 30. So my answer is 405. Got it? So 405. Now I am going to add 180 to this. So what is that? 5, 8, 5. When I am adding these two, I can get, what is the answer? 585. So 585. What is the unit given there? Centimeter. Area means the unit should be in the square. So centimeter square. Got it? Now finally I am going to write the answer. Area of the figure is equal to 585 centimeters square. Any doubt in this? Just what is given the polygon, what I am doing here, just I am splitting the polygon into two, which is what? 1 and 2. Now I can substitute here area of a triangle formula and here area of a trapezium formula. After substituting, cancelling, what is the final area I get from this? 585 centimeters square. Any doubt in this? Now I will move on to the next one. See this polygon. How many sides you have? 6 side polygon. 6 side means what? Hexagon. See this. I am going to find out the area for this 6 side polygon. So what is that? If I join a line like this, I can get one triangle. So I mark it has to be what? 1. And if I join like this, one more rectangle I can get. So I will mark it as to be what? 2. Now and this to be what? Triangle. So I can substitute the area of a triangle and area of a trapezium. If I substitute and I add, I can get the area for this hexagon. Got it? Now listen. See this for the figure 1. Area of a given figure is equal to, area of a given figure is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3. Got it? 1 plus 2 plus 3. What is the 1 here? Area of a triangle. What is the second one? Rectangle. And what is the third one here? Again area of a triangle. Just substitute the formulas. Length into area of a rectangle is what? Length into breadth, and area of a triangle is what? Off into base into height. Now listen, area of a triangle. See this? What is the base here? What is the base? This is the base. What is the base? 40 centimeter. So off into base is what? 40 centimeter into height. What is the height given here for the triangle? 15 centimeter. So 15 plus area of a rectangle formula, length into breadth. What is the length? Once if this base is 40 centimeter means this is also obviously the 40 centimeter. So the length is what? 40 centimeter into what is the breadth given here? 28 centimeter. So this is the breadth. So into 28 plus again area of a triangle. See this base off into base is what? 40 and your height is what? 15. base is what ma? 40 and the height is what? 15. Can you clear this? So my triangle, both the bases and both the height are what? Same. So I can write like this. See, this is for me, listen, one triangle, again one more triangle. So what I have to write this, listen, two triangles, the measurement of the base and the height are what? Same. So I can write as to be 2 into 1 by 2 into 40 into 15. So I have joined the two triangles here, plus what is the length into breadth? 40 into 28. Got it? Got it, children? Now I can cancel this 2 and this 2 because it is in the numerator and denominator. So I can cancel this 2. Now I can multiple this 2 as well. This 2. What is that? 40 into 15. Now I am going to multiple. And 40 into 28 I am going to multiple. Listen, 15 fours are, what is that? 40 into 15, 60. So 0, which is what? 600 plus 40 into 28. 4 8s are 32, 4 2s are 8. Just drag this 0 to down. So 2, 8 plus 3 is what? 11. So 1, 1, 2, 0 is the answer. Okay. Now I can add this. When I am adding this, 0, 2, 7, 1. So 1720, what is the unit given here? Centimeter. So write area means the unit should be what? Centimeter square. Unit should be what? Centimeter square. Can you clear this, children? So just I multiple the 40 into 15, my answer is 600, and 40 into 28, when I multiple I can get what? 1120. Both together when I add 1720 is the answer. Now I am going to write the answer. So this everything you have to do it in the rough column. So area of a figure is equal to 1, that is 1720 centimeters square. Got it? Any doubt in this? See why I have joined this two triangle, because the base as well as height are same. Why I have to cancel separately? So I can write as to be what? 2 into area of triangle. Okay. So when I am writing like that and numerator denominator cancelling, after simplifying everything I can get what? 1720 centimeters square. Shall we move on to the next? When I am moving for the third sum, see, listen, 6 side hexagon. How I am going to divide this? Listen, if I join this line and if I join like this, I can get how many triangles are equal? See this? Listen. See, I can get the 6 equal triangle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now here I am substituting the area of a equilateral triangle. Got it? What is the area of a equilateral triangle? Area of a equilateral triangle is root 3 by 4 sine square. Got it? root 3 by 4 side square is area of a equilateral triangle. So now area of a figure is equal to how many equilateral triangles I am having here? 6 equilateral triangles. So 6 into, and what is the side here? What is the side here, ma? 8 centimeter. Can you clear this? The side is what here? 8 centimeter. So listen, 6 into root 3 by 4. What is the side they are given here? 8. So into 8, side square. So 8 into 8. Now I can cancel this. 4 ones are 4 2s are. Okay. Then what is my numerators are here? 6 into 2 into 8 as well. One more root 3 is there. So listen, 6 2s are, just I am doing it in the rough column. 6 into 2 into 8. 6 2s are 12. So 12 into 8. Next what is it? 96 is your answer. When I am multiplying all the numerator, what I can get? 96, and what is there in the numerator? Root 3 is there. So root 3, obviously area means the unit should be what? Square. So centimeter square. Now I can write the answer for this. Listen, area of a figure is equal to 96 root 3 centimeter square. Can you clear this, children? Only the thing, I have joined the lines and I can get 6 equilateral triangle, and I am substituting the equilateral triangle formula and I am multiplying with the 6, and I can find out the area for this hexagon. Got it? Shall I move on to the next sum? See this polygon. What I am going to do means, see, I am going to join the line like this. I am going to join the line like this. If I join a line like this, I can get a rectangle as well as a trapezium. So to find the area for this figure, I am going to substitute the area of a rectangle formula as well as the area of a trapezium formula. Got it? Now listen, I am going to write the length and breadth for the rectangle. Listen, what is the length? See, the longest side is length, so I have written the length is what? 6 centimeter. See, this is the length. And what is the breadth here? Which is what? 5 centimeter. Got it? Okay. Now see this. I am going to find out the trapezium. See the trapezium. Parallel side, that is what? A and B I am going to write. A is 5 centimeter and your B is 3 centimeter. Now I am going to find out the height, because they didn't give the height. You have to find out the height. See this, the whole line segment is what? 8 centimeter. See, rectangle, the opposite sides are equal. From this part to this part is 6 centimeter. So what I have to do? 8 minus 6, which is what? 2 centimeter. Can you clear this, children? How can I find the height for the trapezium? See, the whole line segment, they are given what? 8. Rectangle, opposite sides are equal. So here 6 centimeter means up to this is what? 6 centimeter. So 8 minus 6, this one is what? 2 centimeter. Like this I am going to find out. Got it? So the height is what? 2 centimeter. Now I am going to find out the area for this polygon. So listen, area of a figure is equal to length into breadth because a rectangle. So I have written length into breadth plus trapezium of into height into A plus B. What is the length? 6 into 5 plus 1 by 2 into height is what, ma? 2. What is the parallel sides? 5 plus 3. Got it? Now listen, 6 into 5, if I multiple this 2, I can get what? 30. These 2 and 2 getting cancelled. So 30, 5 plus 3 is what? 8. So 30 plus 8 is what? 38 centimeter square. Can you clear this? Now write the answer. Listen, area of a figure is equal to 38 centimeter square. Can you clear this, children? Shall we move on to the next sum? See this triangle. So a triangle inside on triangle. So I can split that into 1 and 2. Obviously for the triangle, what we have to know that base and height, because area of a triangle formula is what? Of into base into height. See, for the figure 1, I am going to write the base is 8 centimeter and the height is what? 10 centimeter. See the this is what? Trapezium. Sorry, ma'am. See, this is area of a triangle and this is what? A trapezium. So for the trapezium, what I am going to find out? See this? Parallel sides, that is A is 8 centimeter and B is what? 14 centimeter. And see the height. Listen, just this is my height. What I have to do? The whole height is what? 17. So when I subtract 10, I can get the height of the trapezium, which is 7 centimeter. Can you clear this, children? So 17 minus 10 is what? 7 centimeter. So area of a triangle, base, height I have written, and parallel sides A, B I have written, as well as for the trapezium height also I find out. Now I am going to substitute in the formula. Listen, area of a figure is equal to, what is this? Triangle. So of into base into height plus trapezium of into height. What is that? 7 into 8 plus 14. Got it? Any doubt in this? Any doubt in this? Now I can cancel the numerator and denominator. 2 ones are, 2 fours are. So 4 into 10 plus 1 by 2 into 7 into 14 plus 8 is what? 22. 14 plus 8 is what, ma? 22. So when I am cancelling this, 2 ones are, 2 levels are. So 40, 4 tens are is what? 40 plus 7 11s are is what? 77. Got it? 14 plus 8 is what? 22. I can cancel numerator and denominator. So for that, 2 ones are, 2 levels are. Now 40 plus plus 77, this is what, 40. So 40 plus 77 is what? 117. What is the unit they are given? Centimeter square. Now I am going to write the answer. Area of a figure is equal to 117 centimeters square. Any doubt in this, children? Fifth sum. See, this area 1 is a triangle and this is what? Trapezium. Okay, triangle inside they are drawn a line like this. So I can split this to polygons into 2. So I am substituting the area of a triangle formula as well as the area of a trapezium formula. Got it? Any doubt in this? Shall we move on to the next sum? See this, sixth sum. See the polygons. What I have to do? Listen, if I draw a line like this, I can get one rectangle. Got it? And if I draw one more line like this, I can get the trapezium. See, and this is what? Rectangle. So in this figure I am having 2 rectangle and 1 trapezium. Shall I write the measurement for this? See, what is this? Area of a rectangle formula. Length, breadth. Collect the length and breadth. The longest side is what? Length. So L is equal to 10 centimeter and breadth is equal to what? 4 centimeter. The first figure is over. Second one is trapezium. So trapezium, I am going to write the parallel side and then what? Height I am going to write. So listen, what is the parallel side here? See, this side is what? 4. A is equal to 4 centimeter and B is equal to, see this, the whole line segment is what? 15 minus 8. From up to this only the trapezium. So 15 minus 8. What is the answer? 7 centimeter. Got it? 15 minus 8 is what, ma? 7. Now height also I am going to find out, because see, from this part to this part is 10 centimeter. So 27 minus 10, and from this part to this part is what? 9. So minus 9. So listen, 27 minus 19. What is the answer? 27 minus 19. 8 is your answer. The height is what? 8 centimeter for the trapezium. Now one more rectangle I am going to write. What is the length? Length is what? 15 centimeter. Your breadth is 9 centimeter. Can you clear this, children? See, this is the length and this is your breadth. So length is 15 centimeter, breadth is 9 centimeter. Now substitute this in the formula. Area of a figure is equal to, listen, substitute the length into breadth. First 10 into 4 plus of into height. What I find out here? 8 into A plus B is what, ma? 4 plus 7. So 4 plus 7. Open the bracket and close the bracket. Plus, what is the length here? 15 into 9. Can you clear this? Now listen, 10 4s are 40 plus 2 1s are 2 4s are 8. 2 1s are 2 4s are 8. So 4 into 7 plus 4 is what? 11. So plus 15 into 9. 40 plus 4 levels are 44 plus 5 nines are 45, 4, 9 ones are 9, 9 plus 4 is what? 13. Now what I have to do? I have to add all those things. 40 plus 44 plus 135. So 9. 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 3 is what? 11. So balance is what? 1. So your area is 219. The unit they are given is what? Centimeter square. Got it? Now finally I am going to write the answer. Area of a figure is equal to 219 centimeters square. Can you clear this, children? Can you clear this? Thank you, children.